Hey everyone, welcome back, Semi-Pro Adventurers. We are doing another installment of our boat rebuild. It's taken a little bit because, my original drill burnt out on me, so it was a little tougher than I thought getting some of this paint off. Some of that paint's been on there for 30 years. So I kind of put the next stage on hold until I got a new drill. But I'll be honest, this little tool right here, big arm saver. I know we've all had time on our hands here with this quarantine, but holy crap, did that make it so much easier. So we've almost got the back of the boat completely stripped out today. We're gonna be doing some of the trim painting today using Rust-Oleum topside paint. This isn't gonna be underwater, so this is a slightly cheaper option than the non-fouling that we're gonna be using for the bottom. If you're asking why we're doing the trim first, it's because I'm too lazy to take the boat off of the trailer right now, so we can reach everything with this paint that we need to today. Hey, so you can see we've got 2 coats of paint on here. Oh, look, it's so nice and shiny. It's so pretty. And not too pretty. I think that paint was perfect. It spread very nicely and it went a lot farther than I thought it was going to be. I might end up actually putting another coat on here with some despair because I want to do the benches on the inside with the same color. But you know what? This did exactly what we wanted to do, which make it look like a 30-year-old boat with a fresh coat of paint, which, I think understanding like the roots of this project, that was what this is supposed to look like. And it looks so pretty. Look how nice and shiny. So nice and shiny. Hey, we'll have more updates, and I'm gonna keep pounding away on this boat because we're in quarantine and we've got nothing else to do.